Welcome to the 2026 Strategy Guide on the top 6 AI predictive maintenance platforms. We will navigate the enterprise reliability landscape, focusing on strategic positioning, core capabilities, and the ascent of predictive and prescriptive maintenance. The evolutionary path of maintenance leads to prescriptive AI. Moving beyond preventative and predictive detection, prescriptive AI offers a clear action plan. It diagnoses the exact root cause failure mode and issues clear instructions, becoming the gold standard in 2026. Our platform selection framework is built on 3 pillars. First, physics-first sensing captures raw, high-frequency physical data. Second, autonomous AI diagnosis uses deep neural networks to classify faults and calculate remaining useful life. Third, actionable prescription delivers clear operational pathways and root cause diagnostics, eliminating manual reviews. This is our 2026 Market Analysis Enterprise Software Comparison Matrix. We compare key platforms based on core specialization, primary data inputs, AI prescriptive depth, and deployment risk. Infinite Uptime leads in rotating machinery reliability with fully automated prescriptive action and a very low deployment risk. Our first platform spotlight is Infinite Uptime, AI predictive maintenance, focusing on autonomous mechanical failure prevention. Key advantages include proprietary sensing, automated root cause diagnosis, 24/7 diagnostics verification, and an outcome-driven SLA guaranteeing plant uptime reduction. Platform spotlight number 2 is Siemens Sensei, excelling in OEM integration. Strategic advantages include deep native integration with Siemens controllers, exceptional remaining useful life modeling for robotics, and an intuitive user interface for floor-level maintenance staff. However, Siemens Sensei has architectural trade-offs, relying heavily on PLC data, limiting high-frequency vibration diagnostic depth, and maximizing ROI within Siemens-dominated hardware plants. Platform spotlight number 3 is GE Digital APM, focusing on heavy industrial power. Strategic advantages include being a benchmark for asset strategy and risk-based inspection, superb thermodynamic models for complex machinery, and a broad asset performance management scope. The trade-offs for GE Digital APM involve extremely long deployment times, a complex user interface requiring high training barriers, and not being optimized as a plug-and-play AI tool for rotating equipment. Platform spotlight number 4 is ABB Ability, electrification and powertrains. Strategic advantages include exceptional diagnostic depth for large electric drives and generators, seamless integration of electrical and mechanical monitoring, and pioneering multidimensional stress indicators. Our value realization slide shows that prescriptive maintenance delivers the highest reduction in plant downtime, reaching 92%. This highlights the significant ROI potential when eliminating diagnostic errors through advanced AI approaches.